Welcome. This video will discuss to you all about the two stages of photosynthesis, which are the light-dependent and light-independent reactions. But before we proceed on that part, I will remind you first about the definition of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. It is the process by which plants convert energy from the sun to provide energy to almost all life forms. It is a process that allows plants to create organic molecules that they use as fuel. When the sun heats the water and the plant leaves, it causes photosynthesis to occur. Light and water are needed to perform in this process. The molecules of chlorophyll contained in the chloroplast, which are scattered throughout the plant cell, absorb energy and the life form of the light from the sun. Instead of taking in oxygen and breathing out carbon dioxide like animals do, plants take in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is obtained from the atmosphere by the plants through tiny opening structure known as the stomata. Plants absorb water and nutrients dissolved in the soil from the ground up through the roots. This is possible through the root system and its network of conducting cells called xylem vessels. Photosynthesis occurs in two stages or sets of reaction, namely the light or photochemical stage and the dark reaction or light-independent stage, also known as Calvin cycle. The light and dependent stage. The first step of the process is the harvesting of energy from the sun, and that process is called light-dependent reaction because it simply depends on light. What it does is that it happens in the thylakoid membrane and it creates the ATP and NADPH that is required for molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. Oxygen is released as a waste product. These reactions are called photochemical light reactions because they require light to occur. The light-dependent stage of photosynthesis involves two groups of light-absorbing molecules found in the thylakoid membranes, photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. They both capture solar energy to energize electrons. Both of these photosystems cooperate in the light reactions. Photosystem 2 functions first in the sequence of steps that make up the light reaction. The photosynthesis transfer the energized electrons transport chains. Electron is photosystem 2 that were shuttled to photosystem 1 provide energy to make ADP, NADP plus or NAD or nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide to NADPH. The light-independent stage. The second stage of photosynthesis, formation of glucose from carbon dioxide, does not directly require light, and thus it is called the dark stage or light-independent reaction. Also known as Calvin cycle, the second stage occurs in the stroma of the chloroplast. It consists of cyclical series of reactions that resembles sugar molecules from carbon dioxide and energy-containing products of the light reactions with the aid of enzymes. In the stroma, the enzymes combine carbon dioxide with ribulose biphosphate, which is a 5-carbon sugar, and produce glyceraldehydes, 3-phosphate, or shortened as G3P, an energy-rich 3-carbon sugar. The G3P can be used by a plant cell to make glucose and other organic molecules. Glucose, the sugar, is produced is used by plant as fuel for cellular respiration and starting material to make cellulose. When there is an excess of sugar in their bodies, the sugar is combined into large carbohydrate molecule and stored as starch in the roots, tubers, or roots. In summary, the light-dependent stage of photosynthesis it splits water and produces ADP and NADP. Oxygen is a byproduct of these three reactions. ADP and NADPH together with carbon dioxide are a reaction in the light-independent stage. The products are sugar, NADP, ADP, and carbon dioxide produce the oxygen and sugar as products. For the vital process of photosynthesis,